Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to Soundpeats Opera 3. Whoa, these are really nice device. Wireless earbuds have been required for compactest quality on sound, but are limited in wireless bandwidth. It always results in compression and artifacts that lost detail in the music we love. They have been committed to developing wireless earphones with audible grade sound to infinitely close to the hi-fi audio. In November, Soundpeats launched the Air 3 Deluxe HS. That was, or is, the first wireless earbud with near lossless sound quality and has received a lot of great feedback, especially in the sound quality. Moreover, the Air 3 Deluxe HS has been picked for the Video Best Earbuds 9 Top Picks of 2022 by CNET. Its audible great sound quality and the best budget price have been admitted by us, users and reviewers. That is the belief of brand delivering things found. Meanwhile, more and more users like me asking when they can release an ear wireless earbuds with high resolution audio sound, plus other key features. That's all about coming up with the Opera. The Opera is a really nice combined with high resolution audio and LDAC codecs, active noise cancellation, 12mm dynamic drivers, and dual balance armature drivers. The Opera delivers an audible wireless audio experience with all-day comfort. There are two possibilities in the Opera 3 and Opera 5. Sound codecs is SBC LDAC. High resolution audio wireless is the certification of that. The frequency range from 20 Hz up to 40 kHz advanced. The sound features are active noise cancellation and transparency mode. The driver sensitivity is from 30 dB at 1 kHz. The driver type is 12mm dynamic driver with balanced amateur drivers. And the customizable sound equalizer, if you like to use them, is the Soundpeats app. But you does not need the Soundpeats app. If you pair it with your smartphone, for example, this smartphone will deliver a good sound to it. I think so. But if you are like to customize it more, use the Soundpeats app. It's fit in the ear. IPX rating is IPX4, so don't go deep diving, but you can use it outdoor in rainy conditions, no problem. The wireless connectivity is Bluetooth 5.3. Included 3 pairs of silicone ear tips in S, M, and L. The weight of an earbud is only 14.6 grams. The case only 170.6 grams. The earbuds dimension are 24.3 to 222.4 thick to 229.03 millimeter. The case dimension is 69.17 to 30.94 to 44.89 millimeter. And we have touch control. Options included play and pause, skip track, change volume, and more and more and more. The battery capacity is up to 33 hours with ANC off and up to 28 hours with ANC on. SBC is up to 27 hours with ANC off, up to 25 hours ANC on. And LDAC up to 21 hours ANC off and up to 17 hours ANC on. So you see, it's long enough. The inputs are Type-C cables. The charging time is around about 1.5 hours. And then you can start. We open the charging case. Then we long press the button for 3 seconds on the side of the charging case until the indicator light of the charging case flashes white. Then the 2 earbuds enter into pairing status. Or you remove them easily. We turn on the Bluetooth of our device and select the Soundpeats Opera 3 to complete the pairing process. If we get back the earbuds into the case to reload them, of course, they will automatically switch off and unpair it to your with device. If you remove them or release them out of the case, it will automatically find your smartphone, for example, again and pair it. If you like to reset that devices, we place the earbuds back into the charging case and make sure that they are correctly placed. When the charging box is open, we press and hold the power button on the side on the charging box for 10 seconds until the red and the white light of the charging box alternately flash twice and the reset is completed. So after this, we close the charging case and open it again. The earbuds are activated again. If we like to wear it, you can see it here, how to wear, easy as you can see. We identify the left and the right earbuds. We rotate the earbuds and find the most comfortable position for you. If they are connected to your phone, for example, paired, and then you play music or other stuff, you can make it manually. Power on means automatic. Open the charging case, the earbuds goes on automatically. If it does not work or you does not have the case, you can, under power off state of the earbuds, you can press and hold the multifunction button. This is the touch button on each side of the earbuds for 1.5 seconds, and they will power on. Power off, automatic, pop the earbuds back into the charging case and close the case. Earphones turn off. Manually, under the power of the state of the earbuds, we press and hold the multifunction button for 10 seconds. If we like to make a play or pause option, we double tap on the multifunction button, right or left, as you like. The volume minus, single tap on the left, volume plus, single tap on the right multifunction button. The next track, press and hold the right multifunction button for 1.5 seconds. The noise reduction mode or transparent mode or the normal mode switching is possible with press and hold the left multifunction button for 1.5 seconds. Really easy, eh? And we can answer and hang up a phone call because it is a possibility with its built-in microphone, so you can use it as full sound and microphone delivery devices. It's the headset. We answer and hang up the phone call. We double tap on the multifunction button. We reject the phone call, press and hold the multifunction button for 1.5 seconds. You can see it is every time in contacts. We switch between two active calls. We press and hold the multifunction button for 1.5 seconds. And we can activate the voice assistant on our devices. Triple tap the multifunction button. Yeah. Then you have an LED dot on your charging case. Shows green light, 100 up to 50% status of power delivery. Yellow light, 49 to 10%, and below 10%, it shows you red light. When the charging box indicates reloading, below 20%, red light flashes, 22 to 69%, the yellow light flash, 7 to 99%, the green light flash, and 100% is the green light. Keep steady on. And then you're back on the music street with a really crisp, nice, good sound because it's high resolution. That means high resolution is better as in compact disc quality. And this comes in these two small earbuds into your ears and gives you an audible moment. These are the Soundpeats Opera 3 and of course the Opera 5 are really nice, good too. And their looks a little bit different. So take care. What is your favorite there and use it. That's easy. And to dock them into the case, it is with magnification connectivity. Really cool. Soundpeats makes you really good earbuds, which are with a really good sound. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give them a poll for the feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.